How to transfer the money from spot to funding. In this video, I will show you how to do that. Okay, so first thing, go to Binance and go to wallets. Okay, and here there is spot, funding, earn. Okay, so for us, we want to send the money or transfer USDT from spot to funding. Okay, so what we need to do is click here on transfer and here to choose where you want to put the USDT. For us, we want funding. Okay, and here choose USDT and here type how much. For me, I have 9 USDT, so I typed 9 and click confirm transfer, and as you can see here, transfer successful. Okay, as you can see here, the spot right now is 0 USDT. When we go to funding, we found that the 9 USDT is here. Okay, so this is how to transfer USDT from spot to funding. Subscribe my channel, like the video, and share the video with your friends. Thank you.